We're going to change the spark plugs on a VW 2004 Polo. First of all, we have the engine cover, which we have to remove. Now it's held on by some clips, 4 points there, there, there and there. So we need to lever this off and remove the cover. Also, we need to remove this air hose here on the side, so we first pull that off so we don't damage that. And then we have to just use a bit of elbow grease, muscle power, and lever it off. There we go. We need to cover this air inlet, fuel mixture air inlet, so we close that up so no dirt and dust gets in. There we go. In order to remove the plugs, we need a spark plug spanner. So if you have a look in there, you can see the spark plug. You can see it's a smaller size, so it's a looks like a 19 to me. We need a ratchet, and in order to remove the plug, we just go in, place it over the spark plug, set it to anti-clockwise. That's correct. You can feel it gripping, and we loosen the spark plug. Okay, now the plug is loose. We take it out. You can see it's quite badly burnt and carbonized. Also quite badly carbonized. Definitely need replacing. Now I've purchased the correct spark plugs. How we do that, we insert this into the socket, push it in, and we reinsert into the engine block. Set it to clockwise to turn the spark plug in, and we begin to turn it in. There we go, nice and tight. That one's in. Now we begin with our second plug. We insert it into the spinner. It's in nicely. And we're going to insert it into the engine block again, just as we did with the first one. And we turn clockwise to turn the spark plug in, having turned it anti-clockwise to remove. But now we're turning it in. Clockwise we go. Second one in. And the third one, do exactly the same as the previous two. And number 4 coming up. We've put all the plugs in. We're going to put the HT leads back in, replace them. Must give a nice firm click, and very important that they are put back in the correct order, because these spark plugs fire in a certain sequence. So you can't put this one back there and that one back there, because you're going to have problems. Make sure they go in the same way they came out. Make sure they're nice and firm. Get a good click, you'll hear a nice click. Good click. Nice good click. Now we're going to put the cover back on. Remember to remove any bits you've got in the way, like this cloth, and again make sure everything lines up. Over here you see that's got to line up with that cylinder there, and those have to line up with those spigots, and here and here. Don't forget, once you've put the cover back on, you need to put this pipe back on here. So it goes on, there's a little outlet that this goes onto. There we go.